Hey guys, in this video I wanna show you how you get rid of mosquitoes bites tags from your skin. These tags is called post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. These types of blemishes tend to fade slowly over several months, and certain home remedies might help them become less visible. You don't need to still worry about that. This amazing remedy will help you to remove your mosquitoes bite tags from your skin. To make this magical remedy, we will require such few things. First of all, brown sugar. Brown sugar is very useful ingredient in this remedy and perform a very amazing task because it produced by the addition of molasses to refined as compared to white sugar. The next one ingredient is yeast. Yeast are single-celled microorganisms that classified along with mold and mushrooms as member of the kingdom fungi. Yeast are also very useful ingredient in this remedy. Now we can just make this amazing remedy. Firstly, we need 1 teaspoon of water. We just add 1 teaspoon of water into the container. The next step is we just need 1.5 teaspoon of brown sugar. Just add 1.5 teaspoon of brown sugar into the container. At last we need 1 teaspoon of yeast. Simply we just add 1 teaspoon of yeast into the container. Now mix it well. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like and share this video and also subscribe this channel for further amazing videos.